4 saisons au Japon. Beaucoup sont fascinés par la beauté de la nature. Les wagashi reflètent les couleurs des 4 saisons et l'essence du Japon. Un voyage pour découvrir les wagashi.
Wow! We finally arrived in Kyoto. Look at that.
Excited. Wow, it's so tall.
Isn't it beautiful? Like, wow. Let's go.
Okay.
Kyoto est un lieu incontournable pour les touristes étrangers qui visitent le Japon. C'est aussi une très bonne occasion de découvrir les pâtisseries japonaises wagashi. Cette fois, nous allons partir à la découverte des wagashi. Quel genre de wagashi allons-nous découvrir ? Le charme de Kyoto réside dans son histoire, sa tradition et sa culture, en tant qu'ancienne capitale du Japon. Mais sa gastronomie n'est pas en reste, notamment les wagashi, dont les ingrédients et l'expression des saisons font le plaisir de nombreuses personnes. Partons à la découverte des wagashi dans la ville pleine de charme de Kyoto.
Ah, look.
Oh.
Water. How is there water?
Yeah,
Where is this coming
it looks-
from?
I don't know, but it looks... Wait. What's that?
Oh, but it's not that cold.
Is it part of the
That's-
store?
Is that our Japanese sweet store?
Japanese sweet. We
Let's-
had to go inside. You say Japanese sweet.
You know me well. You know me well.
What does it mean?
Sweets inside.
What does
Here
it mean?
lies Japanese sweets.
Yes, sweets.
Oh. Wow.
Look at those.
Wow.
Are they...
Il s'agit de la boutique Kameya Yoshinaga, établie depuis 200 ans, et l'une des branches du prestigieux confiseur Kameya Yoshiyasu. Le tout premier propriétaire a choisi cet endroit pour la qualité de son eau. Depuis plus de 200 ans, cette pâtisserie utilise cette eau claire et fraîche dans la composition des wagashi de Kyoto. Aujourd'hui encore, il perpétue la méthode traditionnelle tout en utilisant des techniques nouvelles pour confectionner leurs wagashi. Si vous souhaitez déguster des wagashi de Kyoto, il faut absolument vous arrêter à cette boutique.
And I don't know if it happened before or after this, but that one, the one with the gold leaf.
Hello. Hi.
No?
Very beautiful store.
ありがとうござい
Very
ま
beautiful,
す。
Everything is so beautiful,
あり
elegant.
がとうございます。こちらの4階で和菓子の体験教室やってるんですけども、いかがですか？
You want to do that?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, okay,
Okay,
thank you.
thank you.
ありがとうございます。ぜひどうぞ。
This way?
はい、どうぞ。
Wait for me.
桜を作るんですけど、
À Kameya Yoshinaga, vous pouvez réaliser des pâtisseries fraîches servies lors des cérémonies du thé.
ものが練り切りというものです。練り切りをちょっと広げます。包んでいきます。これがちょっと最初に難しいところですけど、
Profitez d'un moment privilégié en compagnie d'un artisan confiseur et réalisez vous-même des wagashi colorés qui varient au fil des saisons.
でいいです。
Voyons à quoi ressemble leur wagashi.
こう押し付けて
Ah,
中心を通り越してこう、あ、こっちこっちこっちこっち。ここ上ここ。
Ah, okay.
Like
で
this.
それでこうトンと
One, two, three, four, five. I made 6. I'll never be good. And
つけてください。
Okay, so
not really. I think at the beginning you need to roll it, right?
yeah, maybe the first thing is
Like
to
this?
roll it.
低い山をイメージして京都の山ってこう低いなだらかな
OK
山が多いんで
It is difficult to.
It is very difficult. But don't worry. I'll go through it.
I want a spoon. Okay,
Yeah.
let me try.
You're gonna be surprised yourself. Right? Thought so.
And I made it.
I know,
So
that
it's-
makes it even more important.
It's more good. My favorite. So, I mean, the combination of this taste and the green tea is
Stop.
perfect. You
We made it.
Au-dessus de la rivière Kamogawa qui traverse la ville de Kyoto se trouve le pont Sanjo-Ohashi. Autrefois, en montant d'Edo, Nihonbashi, à Kyoto, Sanjo-Ohashi marquait le point final de la route du Tokaido. À l'instar du pont Shijo-Ohashi, ce pont est comme Kyoto, qui voit de nombreuses personnes aller et venir.
Look, isn't it the stone
That's
we
the
were
one,
looking
that's
for?
the one, that's the one, that's the one. Hello. Oh my god, I don't know where to
Wow,
start.
look at those.
Kogetsu est une célèbre pâtisserie de Wagashi. Les wagashi de Kogetsu allient culture et tradition aux sensibilités contemporaines. Ils attirent un grand nombre de personnes.
Oh,
Aren't
they
they
don't have
cute?
like they don't have the red beans inside, so like different flavors. I don't know which one.
I don't know, everything looks so good.
Maybe you can
should ask
let
him.
me ask. Hello.
Hi.
So which one will you recommend?
こちらの千住せんべいが一番人気になります。
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Yeah, they look very good.
Wow,
With the cream sauce.
it's
I
cream,
don't know,
right?
maybe we should try those though.
Let's do this.
Yeah, okay, this
Because
is the
you
recommendation.
recommend, yes. Okay, we take one of these.
One, please.
Maybe,
ありがとうございます。
maybe like this bag. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You see?
Yes, you
I
happy?
finally bought them. Yes, very.
So
I
finally,
mean, finally. And I open them because I'll
finally,
probably
you
break
can
the
open
bag.
them. Okay?
Yes.
I don't want to break it. Okay,
Ah, okay.
so the first one is for you.
Thank you.
Mm.
It's actually very good.
I love it. The cream inside is so good. It's so crunchy outside.
Cookies really good. The cookies are really good.
I like the combination of the outside and the inside. So crunchy outside and so soft inside.
One more.
You want to buy something?
Yeah! I need it.
Le marché Nishiki possède une histoire de 400 ans.
I'm hungry.
Il est très populaire auprès des habitants de Kyoto, et ceci depuis très longtemps. Le marché Nishiki renferme un trésor de mets délicieux. C'est un pilier de la tradition et de l'économie gastronomique de Kyoto. On y trouve une large sélection de produits saisonniers de Kyoto. Profitez pleinement de l'atmosphère et des produits locaux de Kyoto au marché Nishiki.
Thank you. It's so good.
Oh, you can
Do you
buy.
see the
Oh,
colors over there?
yeah. I saw them.
Wow.
Everything is already packed for you to eat it.
I'll have one of this, one.
What is that?
Yes. Okay. Yes. It's a favorite dish, right?
What?
Udon.
Yeah,
Udon.
yeah.
So we should have one.
Yeah, sure. Absolutely. I won't tell you no. Let's hope.
Isn't it wagashi? Oh, this one.
Lorsqu'on se rend à Kyoto, il est naturel de vouloir profiter de la culture du kimono à Kyoto.
Look,
Oh,
it's masara.
Masara. At the kimono show. Let's go. Follow me.
Hello.
お着物早速選びますね。こちらです。
La boutique Basara est très populaire pour ça. Avec une très grande variété de kimonos, elle attire chaque année de nombreux visiteurs étrangers.
はい、かしこまりました。
大丈夫。
あと一応帯はこれで終わったんです。
C'est bon, plein.
綺麗。はい、後ろこんな感じ。
Oh, you're so cute.
お似合
Thank
い
you.
です。
I'm so cute. Thank you.
ちょっと隙間が
Yeah, very good idea. I think it's very good. Yay.
La rue Hanami-Koji est la rue principale de Gion. Elle offre un paysage urbain caractéristique de Kyoto. Autour de l'allée se trouvent diverses installations et magasins propres à Kyoto, tels que des temples, des sanctuaires, des maisons de thé ou encore des bars et des restaurants populaires. Il s'agit d'un lieu incontournable de Kyoto, très agréable même pour une simple promenade.
Look, isn't this the place?
Ah, yes. Let's go.
Découvrez la culture tout en ressentant la sagesse et l'ingéniosité des habitants de Kyoto qui ont vécu en harmonie avec la nature, parfois dure, de la ville, dans une kyomachiya traditionnelle de presque 100 ans. Sa structure allongée en lit d'anguille, son atrium haut de plafond et son jardin en font un bâtiment fascinant. Cette fois, ils ont choisi la calligraphie.
Press down. Press against it.
Oh, good. Okay.
Thank you. There
Yes.
and 4. Hot.
From where?
Yes, this.
From, and then.
Down. Down.
Up. Down. Oh, that's terrible. It's okay. Thank you.
I feel like I'm becoming a professional.
Yeah, good job
A real
for you.
professional.
Okay.
I didn't press properly. Didn't press properly. Put the square whatever.
Choose one characters.
Okay, I'll do this one, happiness.
Happiness. But you never practiced that one. Okay, I
go
want
with
to
the
do
happiness.
hot.
Hot.
Yes.
Come on, you did it before. Choose another one.
Press, draw, press. Press, draw, corner up and down.
Il semble qu'ils aient pris le coup de main avec le pinceau de calligraphie. Ils ont pu ressentir l'âme du Japon.
Finished.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Very
thank you.
good.
Thank you.
Thank
We
you.
did it.
Is it the famous place you wanted to go?
It is.
No.
Ooh, look at that. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Let's go there. Oh, wait. Let's meet here. Take me a picture.
Okay.
How's this?
Okay, let me see. Okay, wait.
Le temple Kodaiji a été bâti par l'épouse de Toyotomi Hideyoshi, Kitano Mandokoro Nene, qui a construit le château d'Osaka pour porter le deuil de Hideyoshi. Le temple Kodaiji est proche de la route menant au bâtiment principal du temple Kiyomizu-dera et est un lieu célèbre et incontournable de la promenade de Higashiyama, pierre angulaire du tourisme à Kyoto.
Look at the flowers.
Oh, what are they? You know?
Campanule.
Okay, thank you.
Wait.
Oh, you will have to follow the stones.
Look at that.
What is that?
I don't know, it looks like an ancient tea house.
An ancient tea house right
Look
in the
at
middle. Wow.
Is it like the houses in Shirakawa-go?
Yes. That's straw.
Straw. Yeah, they
No,
look
no. Like they're
They look like straw.
like I'm Dutch. Okay. Where you want to?
I don't know, maybe there.
Okay.
Look, isn't it beautiful, this one? I think I
Yes.
see something like this in Hakone.
Really?
Yes.
Where? We're going that way.
Look, from here, we see Kyoto. I always I
we
look
always
at that.
climb mountains.
I think that will be the
Light up.
yeah, light up
Not there.
over there.
You can see it there.
Is it like bamboos?
Yes. Okay. Ooh. Wow.
It's beautiful.
It's amazing.
And the smell.
Yeah.
I love the smell.
Isn't it like-
Incense. Look. It's beautiful. Give
Wow.
me the phone.
You want to take a picture?
Yes.
Okay, wait.
It's okay.
You know, wait, you don't know how to wait?
It's okay. No, we don't have
Okay.
to. Right?
Oh, it looks really nice.
I look like here now.
Yeah. Let's go, Kiana. Let's go.
Look at all the green over there.
On the green over there.
Isn't it beautiful?
It is beautiful. It is beautiful up
We are
top
in
here.
the middle of the forest.
Amazing.
It looks like the other place in Kyoto, Arashiyama.
Oh!
But you remember the story?
I think this one you like it more because it's more private.
Yes.
Yeah, I know it.
I'm gonna try it later.
Okay, wait.
Is it good?
Mm.
Let me try it. Let me try.
Try.
Mmm. It's good. Mmm.
Really?
It's perfect.
Really?
With the sweet we ate before.
You have to move it.
Yeah, just.
Quoi de plus extraordinaire que de déguster un wagashi accompagné de matcha dans le vaste mais paisible jardin du temple Kodaiji.
Ah, I see what you mean. Okay, I understand.
Is it good?
Yes, because this is very, very sweet.
It's so beautiful here, like having the tea in this place.
Au cours de cette journée à Kyoto, nous avons pu nous imprégner de l'histoire et de la culture japonaise et découvrir ces wagashi. Cette première immersion dans le monde des wagashi à Kyoto restera très certainement à jamais gravée dans nos cœurs.
Before coming to Japan, we knew the name of Kyoto, the city, but seeing the real city on the spot, it was a magical experience, really, really beautiful. We had a lot of experiences here, but the one I do like the most was the shodo, the calligraphy experience. I learned also the phrase ichigo ichie, which basically means value every encounter, every moment in your life because it happens only once. And it is like I feel in this moment, like I'm valuing every moment and every experience I made here.
And not only that, I'm very happy we came to taste so many Japanese sweets. But it's not only tasting. Tasting is fine. Also making them and getting to meet so many great people behind the scenes, like masters and all that. It was a very nice experience, very fulfilling.
Should we go?
Yeah, we should go.
Bye.